Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can use moving averages in TradingView. So what you want to do is you want to go to your indicator and type in moving averages. Then we are going to add the exponential and the simple moving average, as you guys can see. If you want to add more than two moving averages, you need to purchase the premium version. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit it and we're going to set the 1 to 20 as the length, and for the style you can choose whichever color you want, and the next moving average is going to be the SMA. The length needs to be 10, so that's how it's going to work. The moving average is just...
Hi guys, if you haven't joined the trading group yet, I suggest you join it because it's free. Everyone loves it, they enjoy it, they learn so much from each other. So head over there to the bio and join it with the link down below. It's the group chat and I'll see you guys there. Peace out.
a line showing the 20 candles or the 10 candles that has passed over time. So as you can see here, the way we figure out the downtrend is when the two moving averages cross over each other and takes a slope down. If you want to figure out the uptrend of moving average, you need to look at when it cross over, is it going up? And if it's still going up, it means it's an uptrend. So that is how the moving averages work. If you guys did enjoy, like, subscribe, and follow for more.